cooking stew. These are the ingredients you are going to use to cook this stew. So you can see this is the tomato, the fresh tomato together with fresh pepper with sachet tomato just to supplement this one. This is our chicken here. As you can see, this is chicken. This is our curry. Yeah. Curry leaf, this curry fish, onions, time for this white spicy thing. Nice our oil, the oil we are going to use. Yeah. Mix spices. Here's our salt. Here's our cube, nutmeg, and others. This is our cucumber. This is our vegetable. But we are going to cook this particular one separately. It's not going to enter in our stew. It's going to another separate place. So let's go there. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel, share. This is the preparation for the stew. As you can see, the tomato is sliced with the onions. This is the pepper, fresh pepper. This is the chicken. Yeah. Like I prepared my own with onions, cube, salt and thyme. This is the curry leaf. Right, this is the tomato to supplement this one. Curry fish. This one is ginger, cucumber, oil, salt and egg. Right, this is the vegetable. It's meant to be cooked separately. Yeah. Do wait to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Remember to share, like, comment. This is the oil I used to fry the chicken. After allowing the oil to heat up, put my tomato. After frying it for some time, put use the pepper and the crayfish together with the ginger. At this point, I'm okay with the frying. Now for me to put the water from the chicken. Here is the water. it. Nutmeg, no cube. After cooking for some time, I'm gonna add curry leaf. My stew is ready.